We all decked our houses, and now it's time to consider how we are going to set our tables for Christmas. In this video, I came up with two super glam elegant tablescapes using black and silver in one of them and black and gold in the first one. I hope you enjoy. Black charger plates are from Danelm and it was only £1. Plates are from HomeSense, and now I'm trying to decorate my napkin and napkin ring in a pleasing way.
I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have.
This beautiful sparkly coaster is from HomeSense and the snowflakes one is from Danelm.
Time for Christmas.
I couldn't decide whether to use it with black coaster or gold coaster, and in the end I decided to go with black because it makes the snowflake pop. For the center I'm using this crystal cake stand from HomeSense that I bought several years ago. Feather garland is from eBay and is going to be on my centerpiece. This is the first time I'm doing black and gold Christmas tablescape, so I didn't have much and I had to buy these baubles especially for my tablescapes.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas.
Candle holders are from B&M and this one is from Primark, and I'm using both of them to make a beautiful and elegant candle holder.
Are coming true, that's why I cheer.
And here's a reveal to my beautiful, elegant, black and gold Christmas tablescape. My youngest son already arrived for Christmas, and yesterday he told us that he was coming home at 8, but he walked in about 6:30. How happy I was. I ran downstairs to hug him and I almost fell. My eldest son is going to be spending Christmas with her girlfriend's sister over at Ireland, and he will be coming to celebrate the new year with us, and I cannot wait for them to arrive. How are you celebrating Christmas? Who is arriving, who is not? Let me know in the comments, please. I love reading your comments and I really appreciate you spending the time to write me comments, and sometimes I cannot give you answer, or I have to give you answer months later or weeks later. I do apologize. I'm trying to juggle so many things, but I always enjoy and love reading your comments. For my black and gold Christmas tablescape, I'm using this beautiful cushion cover from Amazon along with these Z Gallery placeholders. And this one is from the Range store. And I bought this one from Poundland, would you believe it? Really good quality, only £1 for the four.
I do all the right things. There's so many things I regret, and so many moments pass me by that I could and should have reached out. I wish I'd known better then. I'd say all the right words so we could be happy again. All I am hoping is to fix what's broken. I don't want a silent night. No, let there be laughter
sparkly dinner plate is from Home Sense, and this beauty is from Danone, and I'm using it as a salad plate.
It's funny how things can turn out.
And here's the reveal to my black and silver elegant Christmas tablescape.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of...
So was it black and gold or black and silver for you? Don't forget to leave me a comment and letting me know which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I wish you a happy, Merry Christmas and a wonderful time with your family. Until my next video, my friends. Bye bye.